I want you to see this. Every day, one of the first things I do is come to my moomoo charts and go down my watch list and get a picture of what is happening. And I pulled up my chart on YXI, which is my China short position. And I noticed, you see this little gray box there? That's a gap. And that's what that's telling me is, let's see, 2 days ago, YXI gapped up. And if I put my cursor on it, it says it gapped up from $19 a share to $19.16. So seeing that, I know that historically gaps are filled. That is, that somewhere in the next couple days, more than likely, my stock this will drop down to $19. So I put in an order for another 200 shares. And I just wanted to bring that to your attention. This is something I don't see on my Schwab account or my E-Trade account. I don't get this. So I'm sold on moomoo. Right now, I think they're giving you 13 free stocks if you'll fund the account for about $2,000. And in essence, what you're getting, you put in $2,000, they're going to give you 13 stocks, and they aren't going to be Tesla and Apple, but they will be, you'll get an immediate return on your money as they fund or as they reward you with those 13 stocks. So I wanted you to see this because this is a feature that I think it just basically gives you information that you wouldn't have somewhere else. And so build your watch list, and then every morning come and get a visual view of what's happening to your stock. And as you can see, I've put in a 200-day moving average, a 50, and a 9-day, and I can see from that the trend on this stock is up. I can then put in my MACDs and some other analysis. I can even go in here and compare this. I just go up here and I can blow it up, and you can see that this has some potential. Its high is 22, and it's currently selling at about 19. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention because I think it's an asset, and I think it's worth having in your toolbox.